Hello everyone, welcome to box break 114 for the 2013 Top Strata box. Thank you all for joining. Here's the date and time. It's currently 3/21, Tuesday, March 25th. Sealed box. Alright guys, good luck. Let's go ahead and begin. Alright. Torrey Smith, Patrick Peterson, Justin Blackman, Stephen Taylor, red rookie, Stephon Taylor rookie card, and Marcus Wheaton rookie card. Matt Ryan, Stephen Ridley, Tony Cromartie. Nice die cut of Aaron Dobson. Real nice. Not numbered. Nice die cut. DeAndre Hopkins and Tavares King rookie card. Alright, next pack. Alright, next pack. We have Aaron Rodgers, Brandon Whedon, Stevie Johnson, Quentin Patton, Aaron Dobson rookie, and Eric Reed rookie card. We have Ryan Tannehill, Alden Smith, Robert Griffin, Adrian Peterson red, Tyler Eifert rookie, and Cordell Patterson rookie. Alright. We have Brandon Whedon, Steve Johnson, Larry Fitzgerald, and we have an insert for Strata Signature Relic Rivet Parallel for a Tyler Eifert. So that'll go to the Cincinnati Bengals. Strata Signature Relic Rivet Parallel. That's pretty sweet. I'm pretty sure that might be out of 15. I'm not sure though. Really sweet though, guys. I'm pretty sure it's out of 15 though. All right, Mike Gillies and Landry Jones. All right, LaShawn McCoy, Phillip Rivers, Doug Martin, Jonathan Franklin die cut, Keenan Allen, and Justin Hunter. Joe Flacco, Luke Kuechly, Peyton Manning, Andre Johnson, Niall Davis, and Stedman Bailey rookie card. James Laurinaitis, Anquan Bolden, Victor Cruz, Drew Brees, and Josh Boyce, and Marcus Latimer rookie card. All right, Larry Fitzgerald, Charles Tillman, Tony Romo, Calvin Johnson Jr., and Christian Michael rookie card, and Kenyon Barner rookie card. Move these over. All right. David Wilson, Clay Matthews, Demaryius Thomas, Green Ellis, Joseph Randle rookie, and Quentin Patton rookie. All right. Tom Brady, Sonia Holmes, Frank Gore, Joseph Randle orange, not numbered, Mike Glennon, and Vince McDonald rookie card. Pierre Garcon, Randall Cobb, Jason Witten. Hit. We got Kenan Barner for the Carolina Panthers. Autograph card. Not numbered. Kenan Barner. Then we have Deion Jordan and Mike Gillies. Rookie cards for the Miami Dolphins. Alright. Antonio Brown, Percy Harvin, Vincent Jackson, Daniel Amendola, Monte Teo, and Gino Bernard. Rookie card. Alright. Josh Freeman for the Vikings. Matt Schwab, Matt Stafford, DeMarco Murray, and Denard Robinson, and Ezekiel Inshaw rookie card. Not sure who that is. The Lions. Couple packs left, guys. Wes Welker, Des Bryant, Brandon Marshall, Ray Rice, Majoris Mingo, and Le'Veon Bell rookie card. Steelers Browns right there. All right. All right. J.J. Watt, and here's the hit. Ooh, very nice. Keenan Allen, triple patch, 10 of 90. Keenan Allen. That's a very nice hit, guys. Check that out. At a 90. 99, sorry. Very sweet. And then we got a Gavin Escobar rookie and Monte Bell rookie card. All right, next pack. Sam Bradford, Jared Allen, Cesar Shorts, Reggie Wayne, Ryan Nazib, and Zach Ertz rookie card. Last pack, guys. All right, and we have Cam, Steven Jackson, Rob, Justin Hunter at 84 to 150. Let's see if I get that in there. There we go. Kenny Stills and Tyler Wilson. All right, guys. Main three hits were the Keenan Barner auto, the nice Keenan Allen, and the Tyler Eifert Strata Signature Relic Rivet Parallel. So pretty sweet, guys. Alright, guys. Thanks all for joining and getting in. I have some more breaks if you guys are interested. So thank you very much.